Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making different style of mutton recipe. Unique, yummy in taste. In a bowl, soak white beans 1 cup. Soak for 2 to 3 hours. Pressure cooker, oil 2 tablespoon. Onion chopped 1 cup. Saute for 3 minutes on medium heat. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add mutton half kg. Mix everything. Tomatoes chopped half cup. Mix everything. Now add soaked beans. Mix everything. Now add water 2 cups. Pressure cook for 5 whistles or until mutton tender. Brinjal 250 grams. Coconut paste 2 tablespoon. Water 1 cup. Mix everything. Pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy with rice or roti. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya.